Good afternoon, railroad fans. Cajon Pass. Northbound on the Palmdale Cutoff. I don't know what it is, but looks like it's going to tie down maybe. No, it's still going. There's a train behind me on the BNSF tracks that's going to diverge over to the Palmdale Cutoff. It's waiting for this train to go by. Always something good up here. Got a nice hand wave there. The train you see on the right is the Union Pacific Department of Defense train. It's tied down on main track number 2. Once this train passes, it's gonna untie and diverge over to the Palmdale Cutoff. There's a switch about a quarter mile behind me that transitions. Threat of flash floods, thunderstorms. Hopefully I won't get hit by lightning. I think I'm okay. About 1 hour before sunset. Uh-oh, we got a loaded open one. What is that in there? I might start moving.
The 34 and 35 are now fine for you.
That'd be nice. Get a double combo here. Beautiful sky, my gosh. Check it out. Out here all by myself with my big boy dog. I'm blessed. Awesome train. So much character. Look at this consist. I know you're going to like this one. Please subscribe to the channel. Share with your friends. Think about becoming a member. We'd love to have your support. Keep us going strong. Blowing smoke there. Yeah, share with your family and friends. The sweetest thing you can do is subscribe. And watch videos. Awesome train. Almost out of daylight. I'd like for this one to get going pretty soon. Yeah, there he goes. Guess we'll keep it going. I think I'll start a new video. What do you guys think? Let's have a vote. All right, we'll keep it going. Teasing you guys. Here we go. Crank it up. There's a crossing right behind me. He's going to have to
Stand by, get some power moving down there.
sound off. All right, so we got an empty DOD train, I believe. We'll verify that in just a second. He's giving us extra honks here. Sweet. Last guy gave us a nice wave, didn't he? Let's keep it going.
BNSF Cajon, dispatcher answering to
It's like a big SD70. What an awesome horn. So he's going to go down here about a half mile and he's going to cut across to the track that the train that just went by is on. They've got a crossing here and another one up near the Cajon summit at Silverwood. A lot of times these will say DOD on them, but they always have a lot of flat wheels on these too. There's DOD there. Ooh, it's pretty cool. Very cool, actually. Yeah, they're having these summer war games out by Fort Irwin. Posted a couple of videos lately with full of trains and a lot of you veterans. Thank you for your service. Have been chiming in. Actually, service people from all over the world. Beautiful train. Looking straight up into the Cajon Pass right there. Right about sunset. Yeah, they always have a lot of flat wheels on these DOD trains. I'm guessing because they sit a lot with a lot of weight on them in the hot sun. Maybe they... Now, this guy should be cutting across here shortly. cutting over right now. Making a move. Diverging from the BNSF sets to the Union Pacific Palmdale cutoff. Union Pacific calls that track north and south, and BNSF calls them east and west down here. So that train is kind of going from west to south. In reality, it's going southwest. Yeah, now it's going to head towards West Colton. Hopefully pick up another train of military vehicles and come back and make another video. Well, they maxed out on this thing. It's really long. Pretty good catch, huh? Worth your time? Those flat wheels I'm talking about. Yeah, my post was a marker that the Union Pacific that went by before just passed. I'm tempted to go catch that again on the way home. I might do that. See if I can keep my streak of waves going here. So it's switching from main 2 to main 1 and then over to Palmdale cutoff. Alright, once again, we love you guys. Please subscribe to the channel, give us that thumbs up, and share with your friends. We'd love to have you join and become a member and support us that way. We have 3 different tiers for you. Alright, we love you guys, and we're going to catch you on the next one. Take care. Thanks for watching. Ready to call it a day, bud? Buddy loves you. Hey, good morning, railroad fans. Cajon Pass. Hope you're all doing well. Almost weekend time. Buddy and I went out yesterday and caught some really good trains in a late afternoon session. I'm sure you're going to love them. If you like what you see, please give us a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. If you want to go a little further, you can help us out on Patreon, where we have YouTube memberships, Super Chat, and Super Thanks. All right, we love your support. Take care, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.